Hey everyone, welcome back to QuizBird. Get ready to play Would You Rather Sweets Edition. Before we start, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Let's go! Would you rather have a never-ending supply of chocolate or unlimited gummy bears? Pick one. Only be able to eat cookies for the rest of your life, or only be able to eat candy. Would you rather have a chocolate fountain in your house, or a cotton candy machine? Would you rather have a donut, or a lollipop? Banana split, or your favorite milkshake? Would you rather eat a popsicle or eat a cookie? Would you rather eat jelly beans or Sour Patch Kids? Would you rather eat Nerds or Jolly Ranchers? Eat a piece of apple pie or chocolate cake? Choose one. Eat a muffin or a cupcake? Would you rather eat a caramel apple or cotton candy? Would you rather eat a marshmallow or a piece of chocolate? Would you rather have a piece of fudge or a piece of toffee? Would you rather have a piece of cheesecake or a brownie? Chocolate-covered strawberries or chocolate-covered almonds? Would you rather have a cinnamon roll or a croissant? Would you rather have a piece of red velvet cake or a slice of carrot cake? Top your ice cream with sprinkles or butterscotch syrup? Would you rather have a Rice Krispie treat or a pecan butter tart? Would you rather have a bowl of pudding or a bowl of Jell-O? Drink a cup of hot chocolate or chocolate milk? Eat an ice cream sandwich or an ice cream sundae? Would you rather have a Kit Kat or a Mars bar? Would you rather eat an Oreo cookie or a gingerbread cookie? Would you rather eat a s'more or a roasted marshmallow? Would you rather eat gummy worms or sour keys? Choose one: caramel popcorn or candied popcorn. Would you rather eat licorice or Skittles? Pick your favorite: Reese's Peanut Butter Cups or Hershey's Kisses. Last one. Would you rather have some fruit snacks or a fruit roll-up? Thanks for taking part in today's challenge. Don't forget to subscribe for more great videos. Choose your next Would You Rather.